km, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 5 km. Tapos yung 5 km guys dito sa Lokot, sa Astro. Yung oras natin is 4:45 PM. And cool down walk and the mga basic trails. Bounce na tayo. And that's it for today. Brr.